Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Di sini saya akan menyelesaikan tugas 2 sesi 5 bahasa Inggris. Part 1. I am writing an email to my friend. I am listening to music on my cell phone. Part 1. I have written an email to my friend. I have to listening to music on my telephone. Part 3. I have been an email to my friend. I have been listening to music on my telephone. Part 4. 1. How many eggs does the chicken produce? 1. How much paint to make the their painting? 3. How many do we need to buy this card? Past verb. 1. There is not as old as city. 1 of all three Dani has the greatest egg. Part 6. Good morning. What would you like to buy? Good morning. I need some rice and sugar. How much need do you want? I need 3 kilograms of rice and 1 kilogram of sugar. Alright. The rate is 30,000 kilogram and the sugar is 31,000. That I bid expensive. Can you give me 2% discount? How about 30,000 for the rice and 10,000 for the sugar? Okay, that sounds fine. I will thank you. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.